So hello, good afternoon. My name is Job Castillo. Basically, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I was gonna read there, and then I'm watching TED Talks. I'm watching a review of Tim Ferriss' book, Tribe of Mentors. And then, in a moment, hindi ko alam kung ano yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Kung gusto ko bang gumawa ng libro, kung gusto ko bang maging katulad ni Gary Vaynerchuk. Although gusto kong makatulong sa iba through talking to them, making them realize something in their life kung ano yung pagkukulang nila. And eto, hawak ko ngayon, camera. And basically, I'm vlogging. And kanina hawak ko yung gitara ko, may hawak akong ruler, may hawak akong lapis. Hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ko. I consider this a boring day, pero all I want is to talk to someone, help someone realize some things in their life to improve their well-being, their finances, their health, their wealth. Although hindi ako mayaman, pero someday I'll get through it. Pero ngayon, yeah. If you want to talk to someone or you want someone to talk to you, give you advices about life, maybe I can help. Who knows, di ba? So, ayun lang, that's it for today. And yeah, if you're interested, email me at jobcastillo18@gmail.com. Maybe we can talk or set meetings, create podcast videos for advices like Gary Vaynerchuk does. So yeah, hit me up. Bye.